Welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I want a cake?
Of course. What is the occasion?
Occasion. I don't know that word.
Oh, it means the event. A birthday? A wedding?
Oh, it is my son's birthday.
Great. Do you want a customized cake?
Customized. Is that special?
Yes. It means we make it just for you.
I want a blue cake with a car.
We can do that. What flavor? Chocolate?
Yes, he loves chocolate very much.
Do you want any toppings, like fruit?
Toppings on the top of the cake?
Exactly. Nuts, candy, or strawberries.
Just candy, please. Lots of candy.
Shy, Lucy, I am sorry. My English is poor.
Not at all, Ollie. You are doing great.
I am nervous to speak in shops.
Don't be. You told me everything perfectly.
Grateful. Thank you. When will it be ready?
Tomorrow at 4 p.m. Is that okay?
Focused. Yes. How much does it cost?
It is $40. You can pay now.
Confused. Is it a piece of cake to make? Smiling. For me, yes. It is very easy. Relieved. I love that idiom. It is funny.
It is. Your son will love the cake.
Thank you, Lucy. You are very kind.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Smiling. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Hey, Samir, why are you sad?
I am looking for a friend, a perfect friend, but I fail.
A perfect friend, but I fail.
Stop searching for a special person.
Why? I want the best friend.
Because no one is perfect, Samir.
But I want someone with no mistakes?
We call those flaws. Everyone has them.
Flaws, like a broken cup?
Exactly. A small crack or mistake.
Oh, so I must accept flaws.
Yes, if you want a friend, you must be realistic.
Realistic? What does that mean?
It means seeing things as they are.
Not like a dream, but real. Shy. Mark, I am sorry for my English.
Your English is great, Samir.
I feel shy talking about feelings.
Talking is how we learn, my friend.
Thank you. I feel better now. But will I be happy later?
Yes, in the long run, you will.
In the long run? A long race?
No, it means after a long time.
Ah, in the future. I understand.
Don't wait for a special person.
Just look for a good person.
Exactly. That is a piece of cake.
Yes, finding a good person is easy.
Just be kind. People will come.
You are a very wise friend.
I just have many flaws, too.
Me too, Mark. Me too.
Let's go get some coffee.
Yes, that is a great idea. Welcome to the amazing zoo.
Hello. Where are the lions?
Go past the monkeys. Turn right at the birds.
Is it a long walk?
No, it is very close.
What is that big cage?
We call that a habitat.
Habitat? Is that a house?
Yes, it is a natural home. It looks like the wild.
Oh, the animals feel happy.
Yes, they are endangered animals.
Endangered? What does that mean?
It means they are rare. There are not many left.
That is very sad news.
We protect them here. You can see them closely.
Sorry for my English. I am very shy.
Don't be shy. You are doing great.
Thank you. I worry about my words.
Your English is very clear. Mistakes are how we learn.
I feel better now. Thank you.
Look, the lion is awake.
Wow, he is looking at me.
You are standing eye to eye.
Eye to eye? What is that?
It means you are looking directly at him.
Eye to eye. That is amazing.
It is a special moment. Enjoy the lions.
I will. Thank you, Ranger.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
Good morning, Priya.
Good morning, Susan. How are you?
I am busy today. I have many errands.
Errands? What is that?
Small jobs, like grocery shopping or the post office.
Oh, I have many errands too.
Being a housewife is hard work.
Yes, I feel a bit lonely.
Don't worry. We have a potluck tonight.
Potluck? Is that a game?
No, it is a dinner party. Everyone brings one dish.
I am sorry for my English. I am shy to talk.
Please don't be. You are doing great.
Thank you. I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn. Your English is clear.
That makes me feel better.
Helpful. Bring some food. Meet the neighbors.
Okay, I will cook something.
Encouraging. We should keep in touch.
Keep in touch? Like touching?
No, it means we stay friends. We talk often.
Oh, I like that. Let's keep in touch.
Perfect. See you at the party.
See you then. Have a nice day.
You too. Welcome to the neighborhood. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, that old man.
Is he okay?
He is taking a stroll.
A stroll? What is that?
It means a slow walk for fun.
Oh, but he looks tired.
Yes, I am sorry for my English.
Don't be sorry. You are doing great.
Thank you. I am very shy.
Mistakes are how we learn. You are clear.
Thank you. Let's help him.
We should be neighborly.
Neighborly? Like a neighbor?
Yes, it means being kind and helpful.
I want to be neighborly.
Good. Let's keep an eye on him.
Keep an eye? My eye?
No, it means to watch someone.
Oh, watch to make sure he's safe.
Exactly. You are very smart.
Thank you, Officer Mike.
He is sitting now. He is safe.
I feel happy now.
You did a great job today.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you later. Good morning, Sita. Ready to work?
Yes, Robert. I am ready.
Good. You must finish 1,000 reports today.
1,000? That is impossible.
Laughing. Relax. I am only pulling your leg.
Pulling my leg? My leg is here.
Patient. It is an idiom. It means I am joking.
Oh, please don't joke with me.
Smiling. Why not? It is just a joke.
Hesitant. I am sorry. My English is not good.
Firm. Don't be sorry. You are doing great.
Thank you. I am very shy.
Kind. Mistakes are how we learn. You are clear.
I thought you were serious.
Nodding. Serious means no joking. I understand.
Is that sarcasm?
Patient. Sarcasm is a sharp joke, like saying great job when someone fails.
Interested. Sarcasm. That is a hard word.
Smiling. Yes, I will not use it with you.
Thank you. I like simple talk.
Professional. Okay, only 10 reports today. No joke.
Smiling. 10 reports. I can do that.
Encouraging. You are a hard worker, Sita.
Proud. Thank you, Robert. Have a nice day.
Smiling. You too. Let's get to work.